I didn't know there was a hurricane coming. Go!
It's a pickin' paradise where the old turns go, writing hidden stories in the pieces soul. Every scratch and scar got a tale they told. In this pickin' paradise where dreams unfold.
How much you got on this?
$10.
$10? Dale Earnhardt. What year is that? 2002 Monte Carlo. Jada Toys. No. Look at this guy. Huh? You got some new shirts?
There's a few new ones in there. Yeah.
Stony. Stony. Sometimes small. Okay. Women's Harley. It's windy. This is kind of cool. Steel Workers of America. A tag. Cheech and Chong. Sublime. And some Bob Seger. Okay. I got 5 of them.
All right. Rain by 12, so
yeah, I know.
I'm getting out of here by 11 because I'm in Tampa and I want to get my truck emptied before the storm hits.
That's smart.
Hey, my first rodeo. I've been doing this since 1980.
Right.
I've seen. Somebody should write a damn book on being a flea marketeer.
Yep, that's true.
I've never found one. I've never read one.
No, I've never seen one either.
There's a book that lists all the flea markets in the United States. I've seen that book, but I've never seen anybody write a book about flea marketing. The stories I could tell, Lord have mercy.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. I think I'll do these 2 Smurf figures.
There you go. There you go. Get smurfed up.
That's right.
Want to scare somebody for $1? You got kids, right?
I do.
Oh, this is scare the shit out of me.
It's fun.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck getting out of the rain.
Yeah, I'll be all right.
It's like the weather.
Tent's gonna fly away.
I got it picked down, but it looks like I'm missing some of them things I gave somebody.
Uh-oh. No.
We see how you do.
Hollister. Skinny. Crombie.
What you got on the shirt?
$2 there.
Public.
Nobody recommended it. $8 for the Levi's. This one, the one hanging up there.
The ones hanging on there?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll put those.
Too much.
I'll put them back.
Okay, I'll stick it back.
Try to get this hanger off. 7-3.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Esto es de este lado a 3 y este lado a 8.
They say fashion on there. They are definitely fake. Northern Troll. 92 Northern Troll. How much is this? $5? $3. Floyd. That's cool. Jack Daniels. Vintage, made in USA. Camo. See some bucket hats. Sunshine, oh, that's cool. Band hat. Oh, these always do good. Put the tag. Yeah. That's, oh, Kangol. Large. Yeah, sure. 5 of them.
Yeah. Yeah. You got for $8. 8. You bring you? Yeah. Dale, Andy. Dale. Thank you, Baba.
Thank you.
Okay, please.
Everything's going.
It's gone. How much on the gun here?
I think he said 40.
40?
Yeah, he done ran off. He had to go bring something to somebody. I don't know where he went. I hate when he does that.
It leaves you with it all. Why didn't you pick it up? Killing me, Smalls. Killing me softly.
Oh, it's peeled.
Oh! Just hit it.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hey, can you bring that tub of baby clothes for me?
I can't bring all this.
What do these go for? FB. How much are your socks?
I want 5 for the pair.
5 for the pair?
Yeah. Really wanted to wear them.
I know.
Old Jameson Buckets, man. Those are $5 a piece.
Those are 5.
Karate Kid, Power Rangers crossover.
That's cool.
I had a whole case of them.
Did you?
A friend left into his neighbor, gave them for his kids. Gave him a case of those and a case of his rocket raccoons for his 2-year-olds.
Nice.
So he gave one apiece to the other, to the 2 kids, and then
Y'all take one of these?
right on.
Cool.
I took one too because I collect Tommy action figures.
Right.
Now that he's dead.
Yeah.
But so I just took the head off. It's not the right insignia, but I don't care. I just took the head off. I'm like, it's Tommy.
It's White Ranger.
It's White Ranger. It works.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ben.
B-boy, take the old one.
Yeah.
When you're done, I got some. I'll show you.
Okay. Fill it bag for $1.
That's the man with all the good stuff over there. I got fill the bag for $1 today. gonna rain? Supposedly at 1. I still got rain. It was not supposed to rain this morning, but I got rained on.
Yeah, oh, that's what I heard. It rained a little bit.
Yeah, so.
Man, I had a good day in Webster on Monday.
Yeah, it was good.
It wasn't the best, but I did good. I was hustling that day.
They changed up again, boss. It's filling back $1 now.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Fill the bag $2. Come on.
All right, what are these cups? Glass Kentucky Derby. Looks cool.
Got here late.
Yeah, I started on that side though.
I'll check out the tapes.
Yeah, let me see what you got.
No, I'm gonna stay loose. Early 2000. Oh, you got candy? Give me one, please. Llena la bolsa por $1 aquí.
No.
Déjame saber, le doy una bolsa.
Ok, sí, dame una bolsa.
Aquí está. Llena la bolsa por $1. Oh, bro.
Yeah.
Dame una bolsa. Déjame ver cómo.
Cool. Are you selling the box?
Huh?
You selling the box?
What do you mean?
You got a price on the box, or you keeping the
yeah,
stuff?
I was trying to get, you know, back then. I was trying to get 50 for all, but maybe
For
not,
all of
bro.
it?
Only because I seen one of them listed for a lot, but I haven't seen them sold
Right.
because they're rare.
Yeah. Probably a hard. You gotta find the right buyer.
But it's not a lot of them. There's not really people. It's not up there.
No.
¿De lo que está colgado también o no?
Sí, todo de aquí, todo hasta allá. Lo pueden mezclar. Let me know.
I don't know. They might sit for a while. You gotta find the right buyer for those. Those are super cool.
25? That's half of what I wanted. Hey, which one's the one that you seen that listed for a lot?
I don't know. The only one I looked up was this one and that one. I think I saw this one too. Yeah?
That's cool though.
Oh, yeah. Recognize any of these?
Thank you.
That's
Nope.
nothing?
Mm-mm.
No, I don't think this is enough.
Yeah, I saw this Dave Justice. It's dead stock on that Yankees. That's nice. I know you don't have that for $1.
Yeah. Not this. Oh, you talking about what? I know what you shoot me, man. I just don't know how to go about the sentencing.
For the hats? For the...
Creo que es
If you're interested, I'll bring them. You here Sunday?
No, not here.
If not Sunday, then next Wednesday. If I don't
I'll be
sell
at
it.
Webster Monday, but
Is it something, an event or something?
no. I just usually try to hit it up on Monday.
Oh, okay. Oh, so it's not even only holidays then? You
Yeah,
never-
it's every Monday.
Yeah, you never know, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
This tax season, so these lockers are selling and going straight to the flea market.
Yep, exactly.
We'll find some drivers.
Thanks, man.
All right, thank you.
Tom and Jerry, Scooby-Doo. Classic. Death Valley. Those are some pretty good ones. Pikachu. How much do you have on these?
For you, $5 each.
$5 each?
Yeah.
All right, I could do that. Yeah. Oh, you got more? Is this yours too?
Yeah, this is right here.
Okay.
Here is $1 each. This is other price.
Okay. Sweetgrass. Force. How much are these?
I'm gonna take it for $1.
Okay.
For this one.
Oh.
You fine?
Yeah, I'm good. This wind.
Yeah.
It's like a hurricane. Nike. It's got a hole in it. You said 4 each. Okay.
Here, $1.
Okay. Thanks. School Bugle Boy. Yep. Reverse weave. Hold on. How much?
15.
15 on that one? Okay. And then 10 on that? This one?
For this one, tengo. Give me $7.
Okay. All right. Jeez. He saved it. Okay, where are we at? $7 on that. $7 on this.
16.
I didn't know there was a hurricane coming.
All right, boss. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, somebody was talking? That's crazy.
It's got the little Justin. It's funny.
Well, it was a video my wife was watching, sorry.
How much is Justin?
I was asking 10 on him.
10 on that?
Take 8. He's supposed to sing, but he probably needs batteries.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm out here at Plant City today. I'll be... No. To get in the good part, they completely screwed up the way they sell their spaces now. It's absolutely crazy. Like if you come late, you get a better spot. They started, taking the people that line up 2 in the morning and selling them a $12 spot. They start in the field where nobody wants to be. And the people that come at 4 or 5 o'clock late get a premium space right up by where the main field is. It's absolutely bonkers. Anyway, I'll do it again. These 2 boxes today are 2 for a buck.
2 for
this
a buck.
one is $1.
Okay.
Yeah, are you there? So you put in the capacitor, they charge the customer $350, and they don't pay you $200 of that. That's a joke. I mean, at least 150. They should split it with you. What the hell's up with that? That's crazy, Don. I would get out of that. I mean, that's 90% of your calls are going to be, you know, clean or defrost the coils and swap the start capacitor. I mean, my hell, that's, and they won't pay you. They don't split it with you. That's crazy. 5. Oh. Yeah, I wasn't going to break that setup, but that's okay.
Oh.
I mean, I know that particular set, I think, is just missing number 8 in there if you went all the way to 12.
Gotcha.
So I wasn't going to break it, but I will. It's fine. So you just got the 5 there. And 6, 7. Yeah, 10. $10. Right on. Thank you. Get you back.
Yeah, that'd be great.
These are in, like, really good.
Yeah, they're great.
That's why these here, I have them listed on eBay right now for $25 a set, but I'll take 15 a set. These are, yeah, these are near mint, you know, white pages, unread.
Okay.
All the ones that, like, I've had dealers buy from me. This one was one that had the 0 in it, so it had 5. And they flipped them, they graded them, and then, you know, they got like 75 to 100 bucks a piece.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And they gave me great reviews. They were like, yeah, I'm gonna buy again from this guy. They're really great, you know. Because they're white page. I was so careful even taking the pictures of the center for the staples because I didn't want to break, you know, the bind.
Exactly.
So I was so careful taking the pictures even of the center, but they're, you know, they're
That's
like
awesome.
white pages. They had the centerfold that was color, but they'd have white pages
Right.
on the other. You know about those? These are the 95, number 52 Wolverine. Those are mint in a package because they
What did they come with? Yeah.
These came in a 2 set, and it depended what you got. Like it could have been any of them that they packed in with it.
Right.
They were all 52s, but they had various. They'd have Bishop, or they'd have you know, Jean Grey. These both have Jean Grey, the early cartoon edition.
Are these the ones that came in the sealed comics, or? No.
No, they had a set. They had a Flea Ultra whole set that they came out with. And the number 52, like this is there's 2 cards in there. Because it's got the Jean Grey, and then it's got the number 52 Wolverine.
Right.
But the number 52 Wolverine, graded, you know, they're getting like 50 bucks for them.
Jeez.
I mean, SGC is running a special for non-sports cards.
Right.
They're doing it 12 bucks, and there's no end placed on it right now. It's open-ended. But it's a great deal to go with SGC.
That is a great deal.
I mean, of course, PSA will bring you more money.
Sure.
But to get cards graded for 12 bucks, this is the time to do it. And I've got a bunch ready to set in myself. But those, I'm telling you, I mean, you could pull a gem out of there because they're sealed.
How much are you selling these for?
$10.
Okay. Yeah, that's
so
cool,
yeah, I
though.
mean, but that was the thing, and talking to him too, it was because of the strike.
Right.
All the income they had was doing these shows. So a lot of them came out on the road.
Yeah,
and
makes
that's where I
sense.
met the guy that does 3CPO now, Chris Bartlett. Very nice guy. And, you know, I didn't even know that he'd been doing it for 20 years. I mean, all the television. He does all the droids in all the new movies.
Yeah.
Except for the IG-88 that Watiti did. The director did that one. All the other droids, Chris does. And all the 3CPOs, like all the Saturday Night Live, the talk shows.
Yeah.
You know, that were on the Oscars when they had 3CPO, it was all him. And he does all, and like he just did Ahsoka with, you know, he was Zero with her. So he talks about that, about working with her. But very personal guy. And when I talked to him about the error, he just went crazy because I have an uncut sheet of the color proof. First time it was ever printed before it went to the final press because my dad worked there at the time. And he brought it home, showed it to us. Like they were moving to a bigger plant. They had a whole palette of uncut color proofs. I mean, talking, you know, hockey.
Yeah.
They had Wayne Gretzky, they had Magic. This is 1977. All the sports cards, everything. They had a whole palette of these that were just extras that they ran off doing the color proofs.
Yep.
And he said, what are you doing with the color prints? They said, well, Bob, you can take a few, but you can't sell them. Okay. He ended up bringing the whole damn pallet home over that month.
Yeah.
You know, just kept bringing it a few. But the Star Wars he didn't care about. But he showed it to us, me and my brother.
Right.
He said, check this out. He said the people at Lucas that sent in the film, the ones to do, did it on purpose. They told him they did it as a joke because George was so OCD about everything.
Right.
He thought it would be a big ha-ha moment. Never happened. It went to press. It was never supposed to go to press. They immediately pulled it. And when they found out, they pulled it, they corrected it, they airbrushed it out, and they sent them back out.
That's funny.
And for a while there, they were saying, no, it's just a rumor. But then they found out, actually, you know how many hundred made it out? Then
they did it as a
forever they
joke.
said it was a photo glitch. They said it was a. Now the latest thing they're saying is a disgruntled employee that did it. It was done as a joke on purpose. Now I'm not saying that it couldn't have been a photo glitch.
Right.
You know, before the film. I don't know what they did. If they purposely
How much are you selling
made
these
it that
for?
way. I'm selling these ungraded ones for 100.
Okay.
And this graded 3 for 130 because the 4s and 5s are going for 250 right now.
Yeah, exactly.
It's crazy. Yeah, we'd send these to SGC and they might score higher. Like if you look at this, it's got all 4 corners are deep. That's why it's a 3.
Yeah.
You know, because that's typical. But some of these, one of these is in better shape, I think, than that. Have 1 deemed corner, but it just depends. That one's got a couple.
Yeah.
But you know, you take your risk. It's a hit or miss thing. But everybody wants it graded.
Of course.
Like the number 1, you know, the rookie.
Right.
You know, that's a 1.5 there, but even that will sell for $50.
Oh yeah.
So I was asking 40 for that one. The ungraded one I would take 30 for.
Okay.
And just pretty beat up 63. I'd probably take $8 for that. This is supposed to be a reprint of the Canadian. OPG did all the cards in Canada for Topps, all the sports. What they did with Star Wars is they did a different number. It was the same film that went in to the 207, but they never sent the error film to them. They never printed an error. So this is a forgery. This is an outright
that's hilarious.
forgery.
Okay.
They copied this, put it on the orange background, they changed the trademark date. I got so upset because I thought when I bought it, now if you look at these online, the guy's still selling them for $30. What is that? I'm selling it for 20, but because I was so upset. I was going to return them all. Yeah. You know, but the guy offered me half back if I kept them. So I said, okay, fine. But I was so upset because I was like, these are supposed to be reprints. I was going to send them to SCGC to grade them. Yep. And now I find out they're not reprints, they're forgeries. And I was so upset because eBay is usually really good about catching that crap. Yeah. Trademark infringement, they're big on it now. They're like on it. Maybe you learned something, you know, at least about the air card. Don't let anybody tell you any different. It was done on purpose as a joke.
That's crazy. I didn't know that.
Might have been a photo glitch.
Right.
But it was sent in as a joke. And then whoever sent it in didn't want to claim responsibility.
Sure. Oh, yeah.
Because, you know.
Yeah, because they didn't know it would go all the way to print and everything.
No, it was supposed to hit George's desk. Right. And be, oh my God, you know, ha-ha, we got you.
Exactly.
And it slipped. Either he had the day off or went through somebody else. Whatever it did, it went to print for a second.
That's funny.
And then, you know, they got the backlash. Oh my God.
Yeah.
And
I wouldn't admit to it either.
They recalled it and nobody ever admitted to it. But my dad spoke to them personally on the phone and they told him it was a joke.
That's funny.
Yeah.
$1.
$1?
The number, the pen and the card. Oh no, 10. Yeah, only 10. Big? What size? 8. Oh, that's big. Yeah.
Has lots of Hot Wheels.
You better get packed up. Yeah, it's crazy.
What I'm gonna do.